Hello everyone, your SIDBI phase 1 result is finally out both for your grade 1 and for your grade B. You can have a look. अगर इसके अंदर आपका यहाँ पे रोल नंबर है तो congratulations to all of you, right? Those who are getting selected for the phase 2 examination, right? So this is for your grade A general stream, right? You can check your roll numbers, and this one is for your grade B general stream, right? So candidates, those who are getting selected for the phase 2 examination, many congratulations to all of you guys, many congratulations, right? And now you need to ace the phase 2 examination of the SIDBI. So that's why at Oliveboard we have launched a crash course for your SIDBI Grade A 2025 phase 2 examination, and this will be a crash course. Here we'll be having classes, notes and mock test. You can have a look at the course highlights as well. The medium will be completely in English, right? Again, congratulations to all those who are getting selected for the phase 2 examination, right? और जिनका नहीं हुआ, यहाँ पे disheartened होने वाली कोई बात नहीं है. There are many regulatory bodies again and many other exams are also coming in this particular year. So आप उनके लिए अच्छे से prepare कर सकते हो. जिनका हो चुका है, congratulations. आप लोग phase 2 की preparation करना immediately चालू कर सकते हो, right? And guys, those who need mentorship can definitely check out our course related to the SIDBI phase 2. This is a complete crash course. We'll be definitely helping you quickly cover the phase 2 examination for your SIDBI with the classes, notes and mock test, right? So in case of any query, you can always let me know in the comment section. किसी को भी कोई भी query हो, मुझे comment section में बताओ, right? Regarding the preparation strategy, regarding anything, feel free to reach out. Thank you so much everyone and congratulations जिन जिन का भी selection यहाँ पे finally हो चुका है. Okay, thank you so much.